Tech expert Andrea Smith is back with us to share one of her top CES educational picks.
Hi, I'm tech expert Andrea Smith here at CES in Las Vegas to see all the latest technology. One company, TAL Education Group, is doing some really innovative things in the education space.
TAL is a smart learning solutions provider founded in China with global presence. Our vision is to provide world-class learning experience for students through high-quality teaching, rich content, as well as innovative digital technology.
Tell me how TAL is using AI in education.
We are really in the process of reimagining the learning experience since the advent of generative AI and the large language models. The whole industry is on the cusp of a fundamental transformation where the integration of technology is enhancing both the experience and the outcomes. As a testament, our newly launched flagship learning tablet integrates advanced AI across multiple senses. It can see, hear, talk, and interact with kids. Learning will be individualized and fun.
Learn more at en.100tal.com.